Tahia for not giving my addict mother money for an attorney. TLDR, my 33 meters mother 5'2" just had an ex-party emergency order of custody filed against her and lost custody of my brother temporarily 13 meters. Previous attorneys she has used are refusing to represent her. What if I don't give her money for a new attorney? My mom has been a functioning addict my entire life. My dad wasn't around much because he was the same way. She maintained for the most part until a few years after I graduated high school, when her second marriage fell apart. Abuse, addiction, etc. Since then, she has been a roller coaster, usually managing to find herself diving back into the hole she just spent years finding her way out of. I have given her close to $30,000, including a brand new car which was totaled years later, and giving her money when she is behind on bills without any expectation of being paid back. I moved across the country 2 years ago because I absolutely could not be close to this anymore. I am young and healthy for the most part, but I was either going to have a stroke or heart attack worrying about her and putting myself second to make sure she was good. I still suffer with guilt for leaving my brother behind, knowing that something like this could happen. As soon as I moved, she found her way into a hole again and has not been able to come out of it since. My brother's biological father filed for emergency custody and was granted it immediately. From what I hear, these orders aren't awarded easily. Before the court date, she had domiciliary custody, and now she has every other weekend. In the past, I have called on family members to step in and help when she gets this way, so she doesn't usually fill me in on things and always tells me things are good. She did not let me know about any of this until my brother told her that he talked to me while at his dad's house. She sent me a novel text explaining the situation and taking some blame for it, but of course, mostly blames others and laid out a guilt trip or two for me. She asked to talk on the phone at some point today or tomorrow. She hasn't yet, but if I know her, she is going to ask me for money to pay for an attorney. My heart wants to give her the money, but I know that if I do, it will be taking away from her hitting rock bottom, which she needs to do. She won't cause a scene about it, but may go no contact with me. Would I be an asshole for not giving her this money?